funniest dirt with berry-stained mouths, but promises in August love a drought that kills the sprouts. And I'm just the scarecrow after all the crows fly south. Oh, the yawning grave of August opens wide inside my chest. Every firefly's a soul that never got its rest. I'd drive into the quarry if I thought you'd meet me there, but the yawning grave of August only holds the humid air. Your mother's wind chime hangs unbroken from the porch. I hear it in my dreams and mistake it for your voice. A photograph of water, that's the last thing that we shared. Now the dark is rotting through and I'm standing on a prayer. The yawning grave of August, and I'm combing through its hair. Oh, the yawning grave of August opens wide inside my chest. Every firefly's a soul that never got its rest. I'd drive into the quarry if I thought you'd meet me there, but the yawning grave of August only holds the humid air. There's a letter in my glove box with no address and no stamp. It says I'll love you till the constellations cramp. But constellations don't get tired, they just rearrange and stare. And I'm left here with nothing that I'm trying not to wear. Oh, the yawning grave of August opens wide inside my chest. Every firefly's a soul that never got its rest. I'd drive into the quarry if I thought you'd meet me there, but the yawning grave of August only holds the hue